Alright, welcome to old guys. Two old guys with mics doing lawn repair. Or whatever the hell you want to call it. Today's objective is to replace these belts underneath this fantastic LT2000 Craftsman mower. That's about 18 years fucking old. So let's see. Yeah, we'll have to get something different here. Will this work?
You got a grease gun, right?
Yeah, I got a grease gun.
Might as well grease this up while we're working on it.
Oh yeah, grease the kingpins right away? Yeah.
Yeah. All the Zerks.
Zerk.
Yeah, underneath these red ones you got one too.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. You're joining me walking around trying to find this shit for a pull-lock, so we can show you what the hell we're doing. Alright. So when we get to a little more nitty-gritty, we will tune in.
There's three of them here, John. Sorry.
A little closer. That's okay. Yep, no big deal. Alright, so 3 Zerks or 3 screws?
Three screws.
Yeah.
The one for here is underneath the back tire.
I see it there. Yes.
I'm not worried about it now.
No. So we're going to take that off. So what he's taking off now is the guard for the pulley for the deck for the blades.
To keep your feet from getting sucked in.
Yep. But we're also going to replace the drive. So we have to decide, do we want to try and drop the deck to do that, or leave the deck in place?
Well, let me get this off of here and I'll be able to tell you.
Hey, look at that. There's a pulley there. Hot damn.
All right, now.
Because that one goes, of course, all the way to the back, comes up around yonder. So, what was that? That's an idler spring pulley there. I mean, it ain't gonna take much to dump the deck because all you gotta do is pull the fucking hairpins.
Okay.
I think. What do you think?
You gotta do this.
Well, okay. Well, no. Well, you gotta figure this arm's attached to this. This pin goes through there.
Right.
So we just need to pop that there.
Okay.
Maybe pop. We could either tilt it down or drop the whole thing because there's another clevis over here.
Well, we
there's
could
a clevis there.
just drop it.
Which way do you want to drop it? Angle back down?
Yeah, go like this.
Like this?
Yeah, we got 2 of them here.
Yeah.
Actually, 1 here, and then the 2 side ones.
Alright. That's a little tight.
Yeah, and get a regular pliers too.
Yep. Like a needle nose?
Yeah, no, regular lineman plier type of thing.
And like I said, I need to go through my fucking toolbox once again. And we'll go to the plumbers.
That'll work just as good.
Yep. And I got a long needle nose if need be.
I just need some shit out of my pockets.
Yeah, you can do that.
Even though I got the money clip sitting towards the outside of my wallet, or outside of my pants, still hurts when I'm bending on it.
Yeah, it does. Alright, so that's... Yeah, you're right. Might have to undo that. Son of a bitch.
What's the matter?
I said, son of a bitch. Might have to undo that.
Didn't come?
Yeah, the spar.
Yeah.
This way. Yeah, might have to undo that. Maybe. I'm gonna get the other side.
Well, we also got... Now here, when I come underneath, I'll show you.
Yeah?
I got this one here
Yeah.
to come out.
There's one over here that's like this. This is for the cable to engage.
Right, we got this one, that one. Pull out the other one. And
The side one here?
yeah, the side one. Get it?
No. Yep, got it.
Got it?
Got it?
Yep.
So up and up.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, good. That's perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah, we don't. Oh, we could do those too. I mean, that's not a problem
They're
there.
cotter pins.
Yeah.
Surprised they didn't put freaking hair clip through either.
What kind of clips are these?
Fucking cotter pins.
I don't have one.
No?
Oh, okay. It's a move it around type of thing, huh?
Yeah, let's move it in the hole. Okay, you move it in the hole. Try to use the channel locks over your screws.
Oh no, I just got I pushed it all the way through so I can unbend the other one.
Hey, you want to hand me the pliers? I don't care which one.
What side are you trying to bend up?
Just any side.
Any side?
Yeah. Anything that'll cooperate with what the fuck I'm trying to do. Now see, if we had an awl, we just stick the awl in here and just pull it through. Of course, that's just not how that's gonna work today. Come on.
I'll need. Oh,
There we go.
Okay. I'll need.
Oh, come on. You can do it. Oh, there we are. Almost out. There we go. Out.
Pliers.
Pliers. Screwdriver.
Yeah.
Kind of, hold it and then press the motherfucker together. You know what I'm saying?
No.
So you got this one bent down this way, right?
Yeah.
Bend it back.
Bend
Even
it
with
back?
The other one.
Okay. I was just gonna bend it out of the way, towards me.
Oh, that funny thing.
Yeah.
No, that you're gonna just go that way.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah. So try it out.
no, it's got a hook on here. Put your head in over it. Oh, you see that hook?
Yeah, I see the hook.
Okay. Just push it. Well, it was that way. I moved it this way.
Right, and then you gotta. Yeah, I forgot it was that goofy E-clip. That size of fucking cotter pin. So yeah, like that. There you go. There you be.
A lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, cool.
Yeah, grab this stuff underneath. Got it.
Yep. Yes, joyous.
Well, besides the cable, then pretty much we can shove it around any way we want.
Actually, yeah, we just leave it like this. We're good.
Yeah. All right.
We've got enough room.
Okay,
Enough
so
room.
how do we? All right, so this is a tension pulley here.
Can you squeeze it this way?
Well,
Loosen it up.
I'm trying to figure out here. Is this just an idler?
Yeah.
Okay, so so give me the screwdriver.
Oh, I'm used to my yellow handles.
Here we go. Yeah, this is what you're gonna do to me. Hot diggity dog diggity, look what you do to me. What the fuck is it? Oh, this is a thing for a thing around over there. Why the hell would you put that there? You know what I mean? Okay, folks, what we're running into is there's a separate bar that runs down up underneath the engine for the pulley, which is in the way. There we go. And you need to get it around this other pulley too, though. This thing. There we go. So now let's get it out of this bracket.
Does it come out?
There's a
little stick thing.
yeah. Here we go. And we gotta just get it undone from done from the back. Oh, somebody got a fucking cage back here. Oh, of course. What the fuck do you think this is, John?
What, that'll be easier to take it off?
Well, there's a back plate that we could probably take off. Did you push it out of there? Or?
I just got my head underneath here, so I'm not sure yet. Pull the belt that way. Okay, I almost had it.
Feels like there's one of those bars.
I know, but I'm just pull it.
Yeah. Look at you go.
Yeah.
All right.
They didn't call me a diver for nothing.
Nope. All right. So we'll give our viewers a quick look of what we toyed with here. We'll go from the what would be the passenger side, right side. So underneath there's the back drive pulley for the rear axle. Came up underneath, and then really, you do that to me. And then you got your idlers and your tensioner, and then
there?
huh?
Too dark.
No, we're good. You can see.
All right.
And then you got your main drive pulleys there. That would help engage the blades. So, and that's the the pulley system for the deck. So
We'll show you when we got the new pulley on.
Yeah, we'll show you when we get the new belt on.
I think we should do the back one first, eh?
Yeah, no, that'd probably be the best option to do. Oh, come on. All right. So, well, that's you want hey, pull the one from the label deck.
I did.
But we need to put this one on. We need to put the drive one on first before we can do the deck.
This is the drive one. This is from the deck box.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
But where's the old one? That we just
It went flying.
It went sailing somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's just stretched out because it's fucking 17, 18 years old. Oh, another thing, folks, I'd like to show you.
What? Oh, the old belt, huh?
Huh?
The old belt?
Well, no. When the fuck did I put it?
What's that?
The old blades. Have I showed you the old blades?
No, you haven't showed me the old blades. I'm gonna start getting this belt in.
Yeah, start fishing around. They're right there. Oh, come on, man. Thought I had them like right here. No. No. More no. I saved them for a reason, goddammit. It was spectacular. We need to get this done. Show and talk to me later. All right, tell me how you need to go, boy.
All right. Okay, lift that up. That belt, yeah.
This side?
Uh-huh. No, it's on the wrong side.
Wrong side of what?
The bar there.
Ah.
What I was trying to do is sneak it under the bar and get it in.
Oh, baby. Get in the tree.
Hold on. Got it.
You got it?
Yep.
All right.
Keep feeding.
Feeding.
Okay. It should be good.
All right, but we're not down on your side. we go. Feed some more.
Hey, go ahead, yeah, just twist her around.
What do you mean? Oh.
Just pull her around, yeah.
Pull towards the front?
Don't matter. Yeah, pull towards the front, that's easier for you.
Well, it doesn't matter, I can go either way.
Okay, I'm on.
Yeah, no, we're not over here.
Don't even bother trying to get it back on. Or be fucking with it to get it on this thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but now we're on the back of the pulley.
And it's twisted.
Yeah,
What do you mean?
okay, so we're on the pulley on your side.
Sorry.
It's alright.
Okay, now I can see a little better. There you go.
Got it?
Yep. I just gotta twist this. Yeah, I'll wait for that.
Huh?
This is twisted going in there, but I'll wait till we're done getting it up over here.
Yeah, with it.
That's gonna keep coming off, John.
Yeah, okay.
We got it in there, so we know it goes there.
Alright. So we go around the...
No, we go around this first.
Go around that first. Right. Got it. And around. Yep, top, sorry. You're right, it was top, not the bottom. Alright, I'm in my side. You're in yours.
Now, before you do that, okay.
How are you? Are they still twisted or no? You need to go through this. Let's see. See it?
Yeah.
Alright, looks like we're good there. So it's going to be
Around this one out here.
yeah, on the outside, yep.
Hold on, stop. Okay, yeah, we're good.
Get the screwdriver here. God damn it.
How's that?
Oh, there you go. I never thought about doing that. God damn it.
Okay.
All right.
Now, check the back one. That one's, what do you call that? Not a V-belt, it's just a regular slide pulley.
Yeah,
See it?
it's
Okay.
just a standardized little pulley.
Okay.
You gotta come up around that and there. Okay, we're around the tensioner.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I didn't think about pushing down your goddamn down. The things you'll learn, goddammit. So, okay, we're up out of the back pulley.
Okay. It might be too hard to do it now.
Fucking hand.
Oh, hold on.
Well, we can take the front down. You know what I mean?
Which one?
Up here. I think. Or undo it from the idler.
Yeah, I'll do it from the idler.
Alright, so
I
we'll do
figured that was easy, okay.
Alright, so,
You gotta go.
so okay, we can leave it on the tension because we got some slack there.
Can you see the camera? I can't see my side of it. Work on this side. This side, John. My side.
Your side? Yeah.
Can't get in.
You're not in. You were at one point. Now you hopped out of the V. Okay, we're down.
Okay, I've got a hold of this. Now, just pull the pulley with yours. Pull the belt back towards the front of the garage. Yours, your side.
Yeah, but I'm not.
No, don't worry about it. Just pull.
Okay, I'm coming over to you and you're coming out of the
No,
groove.
you're supposed to go first up. You're supposed to go straight back. We're gonna wind you around the pulley slowly.
Well, yeah, but you said go that way, which was, that it looked like you were pointing forward.
I am, that way. Whichever way you can pull it around. There we go.
she's not dropping down. Oh, come on.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay, your side's in the groove.
Now you should be able to pull that belt out. Keep going.
Yeah.
You see if you can squeeze it down now into the.
Yeah.
Okay, here, hold this one.
Yeah, but I think we're not in the back.
That's all right. I'm not worried about that.
Okay.
I got it pretty much all the way loose except off the iron pulley. Okay. I got this.
Yeah. We need to go back a little more. Let me see if I can.
Go to the top if you can. Can you?
Yeah, we're not to the back of the pulley then.
Okay, hold on. Now let's take it off the idler pulley. No? Another inch yet.
I don't know.
Can I take it off the motor?
Yeah, you're coming. I think your side's coming around the back. I just can't.
Okay.
Let's see if I can. Okay, I can feel the belt. I can't feel the pulley. I can feel
I'm
the
trying to
belt.
come through the deck here, up here. Get my hand in.
I know. Well, that's why. Okay, hang on. Let's just take a sec. Let's just take a sec.
Can you get that bar that's back there, that gold bar, and pull it forward maybe?
This
The gold bar, yeah. The one below that, the one that's hampering us.
one here. That little one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
See if you can squeeze that belt down on your side. Hold on.
Oh. Yeah.
Got it?
Got it? I think so.
I don't know, move your hand. Yes.
Came off the backside.
Okay, here, hold that.
Got it.
Tension on here. Okay. You pull towards you.
It came out. God damn it. All right.
I'm just trying to figure if we can just walk it around.
Yeah, but I'm thinking, should we just fucking remove a plate or something so we can see what the fuck we're doing?
Might as well. I mean, it's
Since we're at this juncture of.
dipping around and not getting shit done.
Well, you know, we're giving it the old college try, doing it the minimalistic way of doing it. Yeah, we can undo the battery. Get the channels. Just undo the battery, and we should be able to pull this and see right down.
Yeah. Ow. Itch. Oh. Yeah, I got this one. Oh, fucker. Needle nose. We have to get inside to check on that belt because it's giving us problems. It's not playing nice.
No, it is not. It's like everything else. It comes apart real easy. Everything else just
Let go.
becomes a pain in the ass.
Let go. Okay. Now let's see here. Can I operation? Uh-huh. So you don't get mixed up which one's which.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, look at that. Should have done that before.
These knees.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's a big ass.
Yeah. It's fucking pulley.
No wonders.
It should only be about a 4-inch diameter pulley. You know, it's fucking 8 inches.
Uh-huh. Okay, hold on. Let me undo it from back here, up here. Okay.
All right.
Uh-huh.
All right. I'm gonna step on your foot. All right, I'm in on one side. You need to come back.
Uh-huh.
A bunch of slack here, Bucky. Almost in, and we're in.
Hold it there.
Huh?
Hold it there.
Okay, I'm holding. I got one side held.
Okay.
All the way around?
I've got it. No, I've got this. So you can come
okay,
and grab
I'll
it.
go that. I come over here.
Now, grab your side.
Got it. Come on, idler.
Okay, I still got mine. Now, hold on. Here comes the idler.
Oh, wait a minute. We need to go. Well, no, that's attention. We need to at least do this.
Okay.
And then come on like this.
They're still good back there.
Okay. Do that.
First, yeah.
Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, it's
Just a
fucking
hair?
cold, isn't it?
Just a hair?
Yeah. Oh, looks like we're still good back there. Well, we could try and do this last. Let's try and do that last. Hang on. Stuck. All right. Come around the idler. There we go. Shove. Up. Oh, son of a bitch. Woo! Yay! Yay, us.
Now you should show them what the belt looks like on.
Yep.
Being on.
On, baby, on. That feel nice and tight when you push on the...
Oh yeah.
Cool. I mean, it's always felt tight, but, you know, like a virgin kind of thing.
Okay, we're gonna have to undo that one cotter pin with the spring
Yep.
because we have to get the belt around there.
So you want to take the battery tray out
It just makes it
so you
easier.
can get at that fucking pulley. I mean, you know, we got it out without doing that, but yeah, it just makes it easy. And then now, there it is, around there, through there,
Around the motor pulley,
around the motor pulley.
around the engaging pulley,
Yep.
disengage, and then here we go.
Yep. So we're good to go there. Now we just need to do the deck.
Okay, you just gotta pull that cotter pin off of that one. And then we're about home.
Cut a pin off what?
Okay, you'll see it underneath your side.
All this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like that shit.
Pliers.
Oh,
Show off.
Was there a fucking...
A what?
It came off too easy. No, I wish I was ever missing something.
Get a magnet.
I mean, it might have been just sitting right on top of that.
That would sit like a washer.
Yeah, I didn't want to fucking wash it though. Until it fell down on the goddamn fucking blade drive. Blade box, gearbox.
Give it a spin. Real fast. See if it fell down there.
Yeah, this is static here.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. I was thinking it'd be up here. Should have fucking taken a longer look at it before I yanked the bastard.
Hold on, let me get my glove off. I can get behind her better than you.
Yeah, I don't think it's in here.
Lift the deck up for a sec.
Yep, it's thinking the same thing. No washer down there?
No,
Alright, well, it was on. Probably sitting right on top of it.
I would probably put one on there just because we're doing
we'll
it.
find one when we get there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
Just like that.
Alright.
Just like this.
Just like that, just like this.
Uh-huh.
And go in between. Is it in between these?
Yeah.
Not like that. Not like this. Alright.
Hold on. I'm twisty.
Twisting.
Yeah, well, that'll come out when you pull it. Nope. Can you keep pulling it? No, the other way. Grab your side.
Towards me?
Toward you. No, away. Here, grab up here. Just to keep it taut.
Okay, got it taut.
Forget it. I'll just do it this way. Let it go.
Let go.
Yeah, let go. Are you twisted over there?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Alright. So you want to hold that so I can put that spring back on?
All right, why don't you wait until we're connected up here?
Alright. So we might have to put the deck up back.
I'm gonna put the spring back on. And, well, yeah, we'll connect it on the back again, like when we took it off.
Let's see, this is
Halfway.
just like that.
Yeah, I'd still prefer having a washer on there.
Yeah, but it's too thick. I suppose it depends on the washer, right?
It don't matter, if just a washer is a washer. You know, just something to keep that thing from, well, oh, head rush.
Yeah, watch out.
That was not a good thing, we're getting up too fast.
Hey man, I'm on the one on the big guys. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, because it'll keep it from vibrating and breaking that cotter pin.
That's too much. Too much.
There you go.
Where?
Right here, down here.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that was fine.
See?
See, I saw. How'd you get it to go all the way through like that?
Yeah, eh? I think I just, check.
See, here, or here. Yes, that makes me feel,
That looks better.
that makes me feel better.
Same. Alright, halfway through. Alright. So, now, which part of the deck we want to get up first?
These sides.
You want to do the sides there?
Yeah, because that way it'll be like this, and then that way we can move this up and down ourselves.
Alright, so, I will, you want to do your side first or do my side first?
Don't matter. Here, lift it up. We'll get your side in, because that way I can.
Once we get it on the pins, it's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck me. We're going to do one side at a time there, Bucky.
Might have to take this off because it's holding us down.
Yeah, but if we get it up, it'll be fine. So let me get over by you. Hang on. Hold on.
What?
Good?
In.
Oh, like flailing.
Okay, let me put the cotter pin in.
Yeah, do that. So she doesn't pop loose.
Ow!
Easy. You got it?
No, I'm not in all the way.
Or you need to shove your way?
Is there another pin on there?
No.
No, on yours. Is there another pin up here somewhere?
No.
Okay. Can you shove it this way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Jesus Christ, dude. When are you gonna do that?
Okay. Need help? Or you got that?
Got it. There we go.
I just put it in the first notch.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's all it needs to be is the first notch.
Uh-huh.
All right. So now comes the fun part. Getting that son of a bitch around there.
Hold on. Okay. Look, can we? Yeah.
Pull it. Oh, there we go.
Yow.
All right?
No, I just.
Yeah, I know. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
good.
check everything else.
Yep.
I'm good here.
Yeah, it looks like we're good over here. About here. We're
How
up
flat?
We're up on this pulley a little bit. No, we're not. Sorry. It felt that way.
Uh-huh.
All right. So yeah, why don't you get your goofy pin up on the first thing, your rod there, up on the front of the deck.
Where's the rod? I'm sorry.
It swung forward.
This one.
No. It forward, underneath the engine. Underneath the engine, next to the jack.
Down.
No, it's gonna go in the.
It's going right where I took it off at.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'd like to know why they put a cotter pin on this side and a fucking E-clip like that on that side. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
In case you need it.
All right.
Show the folks where we're at. Okay.
Okay.
So, see the new belts on there. Looks good. Runs around there, all the pulleys there. And then we got our supports. And then the belts run up around the front pulley. So yeah, we're good to go. We just need to put that cover on, drop her down, take it for a test cut. As soon as I can get the fucking tripod to cooperate. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
All right, once again, what is this called? Two old guys?
Two guys in a lawnmower.
Yep, two old guys in a lawnmower. Got the other bolt out of here.
Yeah, they're sitting up there.
Yep, your phone is kind of here.
Yeah, I'll take
Well, there's
that.
one.
The other one wasn't there.
It wasn't. Could have been when we're jostling around. It moved.
I will find it.
I got the one from back here.
You did. Oh, the other one's in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. Take a look at the housing.
Oh yeah, look at that shit. There it is.
Yeah, it's right there.
Are we right direction?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Here, give me the other two. We already got started. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I think those Torx bits are really nice because if you got a regular socket in there, it won't fit. You know what I mean?
Yep. You know, when you rebuild your engine for your car, you know what they're doing now? They're doing all Allen head.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not saying that comes that way from the factory, but when we're building it,
Really?
the majority of the guys that are building it just got like a standard fucking Allen head. for everything, for the head bolts, for the manifold bolts, for every fucking thing except maybe the intake.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it is.
I didn't think of that one way or other.
It was too stupid to think outside the box.
Yeah.
But then again, on the other hand, you know, was that really a thing? Was that really...
We didn't need it because the engine bay was wide open. We could sit in there and have lunch, the two of us.
True.
That's how nice it was back then. Nowadays, we'd be lucky to get 2 cats in there with a mouse.
Yeah.
I know that's not the belt squealing, it's the mouse getting eaten.
Exactly. You know, but yeah, like I said, it's Allen. Some do torques, but I've seen them doing a lot with the Allens.
Yeah.
So that way you just got, hey, look, you know.
Get it straight and go. But see, I like the torques better. You got more surfaces to lock in, so you don't have that much, what do you call that? Slippage area. Allen head, you only got 4.
Right.
4 sides to grip.
Saying that we're not live right now because I don't want to do shorts for live because we're not paying for a fucking channel per se. So I will upload this later. In there still? I think this whole time I haven't been in the...
Didn't have a hole?
Yeah, I don't think there's a hole. Oh, look at that. There we go. Fabulous. Alright, now we need to drop the battery back in.
Yep.
I think I replaced this battery one time too early.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, reason being is that the fucking carb, I need to replace the carb at some point. I mean, it still works great, but I need to replace it because it leaks.
Oh, okay.
And so I ended up hydrolocking the fucking engine.
Oh.
And I'm like, and I'm like, oh man, fucking battery, you know?
How'd you finally figure out what's hydrolocked?
Huh?
How'd you finally figure that out?
Well, I got a new battery, put it in there, and it kind of, it would spin just a little more, I'm like, then it dawned on me, like, oh, I bet you I'm fucking hydrolocked with gas in the fucking cylinder. Sure as shit, fucking pull the plug out, fucking gas shooting out fucking 3 feet out.
Oh, wow.
I'm like, alright. Full of oil filter, drain oil. Because there's so much slop that the, between the rings and everything else, well, just then and the other thing, this thing's got how many fucking hours on it?
Yeah, well, 17 years worth.
Yeah, so, you know, it's got
Many.
So yeah, it has many hours, many miles, and so it's got so much slop in it that just all the gas. I mean, gas would run by the fucking rings anyways.
Right.
But point being, once I got it all squirted out of the fucking chamber, I could fire it up and run. Never knocked one bit.
Cleaned up the cylinder. What is it? 2-cylinder?
It's a 4-stroke.
Really? 2-cylinder.
Oh, we were gonna grease.
Might as well.
Up.
That's good.
Yeah, I don't grease those kingpins in a bit. Besides that, I'm not too concerned because this is synthetic grease. Leave the cap on. I don't know what you were gonna do, but yeah, leave
There's
the
a
cap.
circle underneath there too. You hit the inside.
Oh no, this is the inside right here. Because all you want is it to go like this.
Okay.
For the turning. For the turning.
Here's it turning.
Yeah. But once again, like I said, this is all synthetic grease, so I'm not that too concerned.
Okay. Yeah.
If I miss a season or two or whatever, you know, I'm not that concerned. All right. Down again. Okay. Yeah, we'll wipe it off a little bit.
Yeah.
Just put in some kind of gear. Chalks out. Alright. You want to take it for the spin?
No, you can't. I'll let you.
Alright.
I'll let you have that honor.
Alright. Take the people out of the holder here. Alright. Yeah, I suppose. You know, I could choke it a little maybe.